है स्वागत आपका।
बहुत कम, क्योंकि आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते, न शेयर करते हैं, न लाइक करते हैं। तो बहुत बहुत कम स्वागत है आपका माइक्रोब्स इन ह्यूमन वेलफेयर के इस डिस्कशन सीरीज में। हम लोग शुरू करते हैं 10.2.3 केमिकल्स, एंजाइम्स एंड अदर बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल्स। जल्दी से रिवाइज कीजिए। The first question: microbes are also used for commercial and industrial production of certain chemicals like organic acids, alcohols, and enzymes. Give me one example of acid producer, fungus. The next: give me one example of citric acid producer, fungus. The next: give one example of acetic acid producer, bacteria. The next: butyric acid producing बैक्टीरिया का नाम बताइए। The next: lactic acid producing बैक्टीरिया का नाम बताइए। The next: which microbes is used for commercial production of ethanol? The next: microbes are also used for production of dash dash. The next: dash dash are used in detergent formulation and are helpful in removing oily stains from the laundry. The next: you must have noticed that bottled fruit juice bought from the market are clearer as compared to those made at home. This is because the bottled juice are clarified by the use of dash dash and dash dash. The next: dash dash produced by bacterium dash dash and modified by genetic engineering is used as a blood booster. No, clot booster for removing clots from the blood vessels of patients who have undergo myocardial infarction leading to dash dash attack. The next: another dash dash active molecule, cyclosporin A, that is used as an dash dash agent in organ transplant patients, is produced by fungus dash dash. The next: dash dash produced by yeast dash dash have commercialized as blood cholesterol lowering agent. The next: it acts by dash dash the enzyme responsible for synthesis of cholesterol. The next topic 10.3, that is microbes in cbse treatment. जल्दी से रिवाइज कीजिए इसको। Dash dash control refers to the use of biological method for controlling plant diseases and pests. In modern societies, these problems have been tackled increasingly by the use of chemicals, by use of insecticide and pesticides. These chemicals are dash dash and dash dash to human beings and animals alike and have been polluting our environment, that is soil, groundwater, fruits, vegetables and crop plants. Our soil is also polluted through our use of weedicide to remove weeds. This is the topic 10.5, लेकिन हम लोग को 10.3 यानी माइक्रोसेंसिव ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में पढ़ना था। तो चलिए रिवाइज कर लिए, शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 10.3 माइक्रोसेंसिव ट्रीटमेंट। वी नो दैट लार्ज क्वांटिटीज ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर आर जनरेटेड एवरी डे इन सिटीज एंड टाउन। ए मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ दिस वेस्ट वाटर इज हैंस ह्यूमन एक्सक्रेटा। दिस म्युनिसिपल वेस्ट वाटर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डैश डैश। The next: it contains large amount of dash dash matter and microbes. The next: many of which are dash dash. Have you ever wondered where this heavy huge quantity of sewage or urban waste water is disposed of daily? The next: this cannot be discharged into natural water bodies like river and streams directly. You can understand why before disposal, hence sewage is treated in sewage treatment plants, that is STPs, to make it less dash dash. The next treatment of wastewater is done by dash dash microbes naturally present in dash dash. The next, this treatment is carried out in two stages, that is primary treatment and secondary treatment or biological treatment. Primary treatment. These treatment steps basically involve physical removal of dash dash from the sewage through filtration and sedimentation. The next, these are removed in stages. Initially floating debris is removed by dash dash filtration. The next, then grit, that is soil, and small pebbles are removed by dash dash. The next, and the supernatant form the effluent. The effluent from the dash dash tank is taken for secondary treatment. The next paragraph secondary treatment, जल्दी से इसको रिवाइज कीजिए. Secondary treatment or biological treatment. The primary effluent is passed into large dash dash tanks where it is constantly agitated mechanically and air is pumped into it. This allows vigorous growth of useful dash dash into flocks. Masses of bacteria associated with dash dash filaments to form dash dash like structure. Then next, while growing, these microbes consume the major part of the organic matter in dash dash. Then next, this significantly reduces the dash dash of the effluent. BOD किसको रेफर करता है? The next dash dash refers to the amount of the oxygen that would be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were oxidized by bacteria. The sewage water is treated till the BOD is reduced. The next, the dash dash test measures the rate of uptake of dash dash by microorganisms in a sample of water, and thus indirectly dash dash is measured of the organic matter present in the water. The next, the greater the dash dash of wastewater, more is its dash dash potential. The next, once the BOD of sewage or wastewater is reduced significantly, the effluent is then passed into dash dash tank where the bacterial flocks are allowed to dash dash. The next, this sediment is called dash dash. The next, a small part of the dash dash is pumped back into dash dash tank to serve as inoculum. The next, the remaining major part of the sludge is pumped into large tank called dash dash. The next, here other kinds of dash dash which grow dash dash digest the bacteria and the fungi in the dash dash. The next, during this digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gases such as dash dash, dash dash, and carbon dioxide. The next, these gases form dash dash and can be used as source of energy as it is inflammable. The next, the effluent from the dash dash plant is generally released into dash dash bodies like rivers and streams. An aerial view of such plant is shown in figure dash dash. बताइए फिगर 10.7 में किसका व्यू दिया गया है? The next, you can appreciate how microbes play a major role in treating dash dash of gallons of wastewater every day across the globe. Then next, you can appreciate how microbes play a major role in dash millions of gallons of water every day across the globe. This methodology has been practiced for more than a century now in almost all parts of the world. Till date, no man-made technology has been able to rival the microbial treatment of sewage. The next, you are aware that due to increasing urbanization, urbanization, sewage is being produced in much larger quantities than ever before. However, the number of sewage treatment plants has not increased enough to treat such large quantities, so the untreated sewage is often discharged directly into rivers, leading to their pollution and increase in waterborne disease. The Ministry of Environment and Forest has initiated plan and to save the major rivers of our country from pollution. The next, under these plans, it is proposed to build a large number of sewage treatment plants so that only treated sewage may be discharged in the river. A visit to sewage treatment plant situated in any place near you would be a very interesting and educating experience. Thank you so much. You are most welcome in the next session of this discussion series 10.4 microbes in production of biogas.